Premiere Pro have introduced a really cool speech-to-text feature, which allows you to create captions for your videos right in the software. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can use this for yourself. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in Premiere Pro, and to get started, I'm going to create a sequence based off an old video of mine. Now, with the media in the timeline, we can go up to Sequence, scroll down to Auto Transcribe Sequence, and we're going to see this window here. Now, this is going to enable us to create a transcript based on the media that we have loaded in the timeline there. What we can do is tell Premiere Pro to either analyze the entire video tracks on multiple channels, or just choose the singular track that you have your speech on. In this example, I'm just going to use the one track. You do have other options here to configure, but just for this example, I'm just going to click Transcribe. Premiere Pro is going to work its magic and transcribe our video that we have in the sequence here. Depending on the length of your video, it may take a little while to do this. In this example, I'm using a 5-minute video, so it will take a little bit of time to do it. However, if you're just trying to transcribe a video that's 2 minutes in length, it won't take as long to do. Once Premiere Pro has finished analysing your track, you'll see something like this appear in the transcript window. Now, if I play through my video, creating videos can result in huge file sizes which take up a lot of space on your computer. We can see that as Premiere is playing through my video, it's highlighting each word as I say it. Now, this isn't going to be perfect the first time around, and you may have to alter the captions ever so slightly. You can do this by double-clicking on the captions in the panel here, or you can simply click on the Create Captions button, and then make sure you have Create from Sequence Transcript selected. You can then go down and configure this however you want to. I usually like to have it at 32 characters so there's not too much text in the frame at one time. And then I usually click Create. Premiere is then going to work some magic again, and here you can see we have our captions in the window. Now, like I said before, these are not going to be perfect, and you can also double click on them in this format to edit the text. Now, with the captions in Premiere Pro, it just uses the default font and font color, and this may not be what you want for your videos. You can simply change this by selecting all the captions in the timeline. You can go over to your Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see this, just go to Window and then choose Essential Graphics, and this window will pop up. And then if you have all of these captions selected here, you can then go ahead, click in the font window, and then type in the font that you want. I'm just going to use this font just for time. You can scale up the font. You can give it a background if you want to. You can change the color of the font. Let's go for Create Fix Yellow. And this will affect every single caption in your timeline. You can also change the length of the captions. You can make them shorter or longer. You can cut the captions to turn it into 2 captions. You can see by me doing this, it's duplicated this caption into 2 up here, and you can completely alter it to fit your needs in your video. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.